Are you thinking about going live on TikTok? Whether you want to engage with your audience, showcase your talent, or even earn money, TikTok Live is a powerful tool. In this video, I will cover everything you need to know, including requirements, features, monetization, and best practice. Let's get started. Before you can go live on TikTok, here are some requirements you need to meet. First, you must be at least 18 years old to go live. Secondly, your account needs at least 1,000 followers to unlock the live feature. Thirdly, you must follow TikTok community guidelines to avoid restriction. Now let's see how to start a TikTok live. First, you need to open the TikTok app and tap the plus button at the bottom of your screen. Scroll to the live section, add a catchy title to attract viewers, customize settings like filters, effects, and moderators. Tap the go live and you're all set. Alright, so once you are live, the next thing you want to know about is the TikTok live features. Alright, so we have features like the live gift and coins. Viewers can send you virtual gift that you can convert into real money. Alright, we have the guest feature where you can invite other users to join your live stream. We have the question and answer mode where you can answer questions from your viewers in real time. And also there is the moderation tools where moderators can block, mute, or filter comments to keep your live chat safe. And we also have live events where you can schedule and promote your upcoming live streams, right? And also we have so many other features on the TikTok live stream which we've already talked about on this channel, right? So there's a playlist that I will link at the end screen of this one, so you can check out and explore more other features on the TikTok live stream. Alright, so having known the features of the TikTok live, let's see some monetization and earning tools on TikTok live. Alright, so if you're wondering how to make money from TikTok live, here's how you can do it. First, viewers can send you virtual gifts that convert into diamonds, which you can withdraw as real money. And then the more engagement and gifts you receive, the higher your earnings. And joining TikTok Creator Nest can help you access more monetization opportunities. Alright, so now that you know how to start a TikTok live stream and also some significant features of TikTok live stream, let's see some best practice for a successful live stream. Number one, you have to go live at peak hours when more people are active, and that could be in the night. Number two, you have to use a good setup with proper lighting and clear audio. Number three, you have to engage with viewers by responding to comments and questions. Number four, you have to promote your live section before going live. Right, so you need to tell people that you are going to go live so date before going live. Alright, finally, you have to stay consistent to grow your audience over time. So that's it, guys, on everything you need to know about TikTok live stream. Alright, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more TikTok tips. See you in the next one. Bye.